Hi, I want to challenge you to create this shaded map. My name is Ian Allen and I'm a geographer. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to create your first shaded GIS map and legend step by step. You'll also learn about map interpretation using the shapes, the patterns and the colours in maps as surrogates for other things. And the importance of the tables that lie behind GIS maps and how map generalisation can aid in map interpretation. As a bonus, I'll show you how to create time series maps. GIS is very good at representing change and its very dear sibling, difference. I begin by teaching you some not often taught GIS topics that will help you understand how powerful GIS can be. And of course, I'll show you how to install the software and the course dataset and explain all the buttons that we'll be using. We'll use free, open source GIS software and focus on concepts that are generic to all geographical information systems, including the commercial ones. So for those of you who want this course to be in ARC, it really doesn't matter. Outside of Udemy, more than 3,000 people have already completed this course. Here's what some of them have had to say. This is a course for professionals who want to add GIS to their armoury of data analysis and data presentation tools. You'll have a reason to use GIS, probably mapping the spreadsheets that are undoubtedly already sitting on your computer. I hope that you'll take the leap and enrol in the course, and I'll see you inside.